everyone, this is me again, and this is a normally video record of me. Yeah, I have weekend. Yeah, I have free time in today, and right now I come back to record my video again. Yeah, for me today is so good to me because I can checklist what I want to do on this day. Yeah, and yeah, it's finished. I'm so proud with this. And right now the outside is rainy coming, and yeah, it's weather is so a little cold. Yeah, but it's good. I love that. But I don't like to soak when go outside, but I love rains coming because when I see around of the green, right, tea or grass is so fresh. It's so comfortable, and yeah, it's fresh, it's green, right? And when I talk about rain, yeah, I have the new experience to share with you. Yeah, I on Friday, rain's length is so heavy when I finish my work. Yeah, and I couldn't to get Grab or something. Yeah, because it's so bad traffic. When I see in Google Maps, it's very bad traffic, and yeah, my condominium is so far from my workplace. Yeah, I decided to call Gap again, but I changed to choose Gap Bike. Yeah, it's so very expensive, and have the best have bad weather, or time to rush to go home, time to rush to workspace. Yeah, but I decided to choose Gap Bike, and the new experience to me because I commute by Gap Bike amongst rain heavy, but it's so dangerous to me. But I need to go to my room quickly. Yeah, because I have to new plan to do, and it's very neat, very to do that. Yeah, but I see environment around me when it get by too or on the road. It makes me good. It's a new experience. It's the new wife to me. It's not bad, but I have to be careful, dangerous. Yeah, and maybe I get some sick or something, but I think fortunately to me, I can get by in the when rain. Yeah, for me it's good, and yeah, I got new experience. Yeah, that is for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good time, have a good day. Bye bye.